Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand. Features also include blind spot monitor, high beam assist, navigation system, steering wheel controls, voice-activated command system. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2024 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, turbocharged, rear step bumper, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.